Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to share some cleaning motivation with you guys. So I hope you're doing well and staying safe. So this is some after dark clean with me. So I hope you're motivated to get your home clean this weekend. Hey guys, aren't these cute? Ooh, look at these. These are so cute. Get out of the way, Cat. Turning up for Santa, but I'm getting on a plane. So on this couch is where I do most of my lounging. So I'm gonna fluff the cushions and make it look presentable again. Straight due north, Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. So this coffee table gets used a lot. My daughter, she likes to put her drinks, snacks, water, everything on here, so it gets a lot of usage. So I'm gonna wipe it down with some Windex with vinegar, and that usually make it nice and shiny. As can be, it's been that way forever. Guess what shapes that go together? Everyone can use a little vacation, even if life on the North Pole is cool. But don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way home to you. So Santa, hold on. So now I'm gonna bring out my big ginormous vacuum. I need to get one of those cordless one, but I'm just so used to the old school vacuum, and I just bought this too. I think this vacuum is not even, I think it's a year old now, so for me to buy a new one is I don't know. I mean, it's been going through a lot because I'm pretty rough on this vacuum. So when it breaks, then I'll get maybe a cordless vacuum. So now I've made it to the dining room. I'm going to remove some of these items. That's from my daughter's virtual homeschool. She usually does her virtual homeschool on the table. So I'm going to put away her books and laptop and clean this down. And then we're going to vacuum, and then we're going to transition to the kitchen. So the dining room is complete, and I'm going to dust and wipe down my bar area. As you guys know from my previous cleaning videos, I've always said Windex with vinegar is great for your granite countertops. It makes it nice and shiny. It is amazing for your granite. So now I'm going to clean and dust the foyer. I'm going to wipe down the cabinet, the vase, and then I'm going to sweep the floors, and then I'm going to use the steam mop to, of course, sanitize my floors. You guys remember, only use distilled or filtered water in your steam mop. Don't put anything else. I usually just put filtered water in the steam mop and that's it. If you want to add any other type of cleaning solution, you could always pour it on the floor. Never put it in your steam mop. So I've made it to the kitchen. I'm going to sweep the floors and then I'm going to do the dishes, clean the countertops, wipe down the cabinets, pretty much sanitize the kitchen area. So I've been looking for some new coffee cups and I found these at HomeGoods. They're similar to the CB2 coffee cups I've been eyeing. They're made of stone and it has like a matte finish. They're like a dark gray. They're not fully black, but I really like them.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
So I pretty much put away all the clean dishes. So now I'm going to wash the dishes and place them in the dishwasher. And then of course I'm going to clean up the countertops. And then we're going to wipe down the cabinets. And then we're going to basically just sanitize and clean the kitchen. So I'm using the Method antibacterial cleaner to sanitize the countertops and also my cabinets and the handles as well. Also my door handles, I am going to also wipe that down along with my remote. You know, everything that is, you know, touched a lot, I'm going to basically sanitize. Now it's time to clean my stovetop. I'm going to use the Cerama Bright cleaner to clean it. This is an awesome cleaner along with the scrubber and the razor. It pretty much keeps your stovetop pretty clean. So if you guys notice, my cats have been hovering around my legs, so that means that they're hungry, and they're always hungry. It's unbelievable. They eat like 3 times a day, but they're growing cats. So everything is clean, guys. This is my apartment. It is nice and clean. I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning video. I hope you were motivated, and I'll see you in the next one.